Hey everybody. I think I already shattered the myth that van life is glamorous with my I have mice in the van video. Um, I'm going to take it down another notch today, starting with my lunch. I made a delicious pot of soup. I'm nearing the end of this right now. I made it in my Instapot and the other day, and I'm heating it up in my pot, but I don't want to dirty another dish or a bowl to eat it out of, so I'm going to eat it right out of the pot. Far from glamorous, a little classless. I get it. My kitchen sink is very small, and it's really hard to wash dishes in it. It kind of spills out on the counter and leaks down the edge. So, not glamorous life, eating straight out of the pot. Oh well. If I could fit my head in this bowl to lick the bottom of this pot for this soup, I would. It's that good. It's probably not the healthiest, but it is good. Try it.